This video will show how to use the k-means clustering tool in PCT. K-means clustering is a machine learning technique that is used to group similar data points. K-means clustering can be used to create management zones by grouping similar areas of a field based on their underlying characteristics. When performed correctly, the produced zones should group areas with similar landscape positions, soil composition, yield potential, and management requirements. Begin by navigating to the Zone Locate tool. Click on the K-means clustering tab and select the desired field. Select the layers you would like to use and click Create Clusters. The original layers will be displayed at the top, where you can swap the order of the layers, as well as change the amount of smoothing in the layers. Below you will see the zoned map. K-means cluster layers can be saved as management zones. To show what the ideal number of clusters will be, click the Show Ideal Cluster Count button. This operation will run through 1 to 10 clusters and then display a graph where you can choose the ideal number of clusters. To find the ideal number of clusters in the graph, use the elbow method by choosing the point at which the graph begins to level off. Once you have found the ideal number of clusters, enter that number into the Number of Clusters box and choose Run Clusters. You can also choose the amount to which small areas are consolidated. You also have the option to plot soil sample points within the K-means clusters tool. You can do this by manually plotting points by clicking on the map, or by choosing the Latin hypercube or Random Sample Points buttons. Information for the points will be shown at the bottom of the page. To save the points, click Save Points.